Hello everyone, I've prepared a quick demo about testing of APBs in Jenkins. So, how do we currently test APBs? Well, the test consists of the following steps. Currently, it builds the APB repo with a Docker file, then it creates a new project in targeted OpenShift instance, then it creates a pod using the built Docker image and runs the test playbook. The test playbook includes the provisioning role, and after the services get provisioned, in case of Metrics APB it's Grafana and Prometheus, it will do some basic checks. First one, that the roots of the services are provisioned, and the second, that we are getting successful response from OpenShift out proxy server. If everything goes well, the pod has finished successfully and the project gets deleted. That's all. And you can even run the test locally if you're in the repo directory and targeting some OpenShift instance. You just run APB test and that's it. But that's not what this demo is about. The new thing we recently added is this Jenkins file. Let's quickly take a look at the code. So I'm using the pipeline library for now, just for this method that checks if the author of the PR is a member of the organization, so he has a permission to run the test. Next, we have variables for the name of the repo and the name of the project that gets created in the OpenShift instance we are using. So once the pod or the slave is running, we'll do a checkout of the code from the Git repo, then target the OpenShift instance and create a new project. Then we'll set up the build using the parameter to use the content of the current folder. Once the build is triggered, we'll wait until it's finished and then progress with the testing phase. We have to add the admin role to the default service account because the service account itself sometimes needs to operate with the policies within the project. Then we create a new pod called testing pod, but it can be anything. We'll use this Docker image. This is the image we've just built. And this parameter means that we are creating only pod, not deployment. Then there's this command which will run in the pod. This is the script from the APB base repo. You can find it right here. You can check it for its options. This means that we are running the test playbook and we want to add extra variables as a parameter for Ansible playbook command. We only need the name of the namespace. Then we wait until the pod is finished, and if everything went well, the project gets deleted. Alright, so now enough of this boring stuff and let's see how it looks like in action. So let's make some awesome change to the code, like this, and push it so the build gets triggered. Okay, now we can see that the build has started. I was approved as a user, and now the slave is running and the code gets cloned. We can take a look at the build, which should be running now. Great. Right after that, the testing pod should be created. And we can see some provisioning tasks. And once Grafana and Prometheus are running, the pod checks a couple of things as I mentioned in the beginning. And after that, it should be finished. Awesome. That's it. After everything is completed, every resource in the project should get cleaned up. Yeah, we have a green tick. So that's everything for me. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.